Good afternoon, friends. I have a few minutes here all by myself at an open house, so I thought, what the heck, I'd take you along with me so you can see this beautiful house that I'm hosting. The address is 66 Dulamo Bluff, which is on St. Helena Island. It's in a lovely little waterfront community called Dulamo. They have a community boat launch. They're on deep water. There's a place for you to store your boat, and it's just a nice, quiet little low country area. So I am going to turn you around and then walk through the house, and we'll see what we can see, okay? All right, let's head in this front door here. 66 Dulamo is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, built in 2015, almost 0.7 acres, and 1,560 square feet. It's a beautiful, beautiful open concept home, wonderful vaulted ceilings, beautiful wood floors, and with the space out here, there's a few outbuildings that are really going to make it an easy place for you to call home. We have a screened porch out here. Wonderful size. It wraps around to the front door so you can get to it from the front porch, as well as the backyard. Backyard has a fire pit here. You'll see when we get outside, there's lots and lots of thoughtful things done in this yard here. All right, let's head back in. So here we are in the large family room. Very ample dining area. This table seats 6, but has a leaf and could easily support a larger table if needed. I love the island. You can see where I was sitting doing some work before I was interrupted. But it's a great kitchen. Has the spillover here so you can sit and chat with whoever's cooking. You can eat your breakfast. It's a very, very comfortable space. All of the appliances are stainless. I love the few frosted glass cabinet doors. We have tile here, which is always welcome in the kitchen. And now let's head into the bedroom area. So we have a small bedroom here. Could work well as an office, which is what the current owner used it for. Again, we're back to the hardwood floors. Full bathroom here. It's in great condition. I love this large, I'll call it a landing place. So if you wanted, you could have a nice piece of furniture here with some books or artwork. We have a pantry. Here's a coat closet or storage closet. Laundry room that's just big enough for everything you need and not a waste of space. So you have a little bit of space to fold, to store your cleaning supplies. Again, tile floor, which is always a good thing with water around. Let's head into the primary bedroom. Primary is a great size. This is a queen bed and could easily support a king if that's your preference. We have a doorway out onto the back deck. Great sized closets. And then this bathroom has been updated by the current owner. Nice low entryway into the oversized stand-up shower. Pretty tile. Lovely room. All right, let's find the third bedroom. Again, this could be an office or a bedroom, however you choose to use it. This was a craft room for the current owner. Nice closet also. So just to reorient you, here we are with this great open space that you really could use for more than just a way to get to your bedrooms. But here's the primary, kitchen and living and dining, the first smaller bedroom, full bath, laundry, and then the third bedroom. So let's go take a look at the backyard. So here's the nice little deck that the primary bedroom has the private entrance to. And I'm just gonna come over here and pan around a little bit for you, just so you get an idea. You can see that plenty of the yard is fenced. There's some raised beds. Pretty bottle brush plant blowing in the breeze. Got some more gardening things back here. Over here we've got a detached one-car garage. And there also is a hot tub conveniently located right down here, which will convey with the property, so it will be yours. So the garage is closely located. Again, we're all fenced in, and then out there is a great shed. It's 12 by 24, has a metal roof, it has electric, it has water, all the things you need to take care of your boat or your motorcycle or your RV or whatever it is. Because remember, you've got 0.69 acres here, so you're going to want to have some toys. Lots of pretty perennials. Just a lovely, lovely place. So let's head back in. The HVAC was completely replaced just this June. The HOA here is very, very low. I think it's $145 or something crazy like that. It's really just to take care of the marina and the boat launch, which I said is open to all the community members, and it's right on deep water. If you look at the listing, which I'll attach after this, you'll be able to see that the access way is very, very beautiful. Okay, so here I am. Thanks for taking the tour with me. I would love for you to stop out and visit. I'll be here until 4 o'clock. It is just a little after 2 o'clock, so come on out and visit me at 66 Dulamo Bluff on St. Helena. And I'm going to turn you around when I'm all done here so you can see the front yard too. But come out, and if you can't make it today, give me a call or text or something. Let me know, and I'd be happy to give you a showing. All right, let's turn you around one last time so you can see the front. There's my sporty red car. And the front porch. Okay, folks, I'd love to see you. If not, give me a call and we can talk about it, all right? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.